Show you how to create a college course manager in the Excel app. First, we have to open up the app, and this is how it opens up. From here, we just click on the college course manager template. Then we click on create, and here we have a bunch of things. Here we can enter our schedule for the week from Monday till Friday. Add the breakfast, add the lunches and everything else. Then we have the credits with the degrees, with the courses and everything, budget, and books as well that we have to read. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.